Hey, credit family, it's your pops, Mr. Credit Banking, and I am back again. I want to make a quick video for you guys about authorized users. Adding somebody as an authorized user on your credit card, I think is a win for both sides. Because most of the times people talk about, adding somebody as an authorized user to help them out, help them build credit, and people don't talk too much about how that can help you out as the person who's helping out the other person to build their credit. You were able to build your credit, and you're giving them an opportunity to build their credit by adding them as an authorized user. But guys, this can also help you too, because if that person, is like a family member and they live in the same house with you, and you added them as an authorized user, and this person's adult and if they have a job, you can actually use their income as your available credit for that card that you added them to help you increase your available credit, because hey, they're on the card, they may or may not be using the card. You're helping them out to build their credit, but you can use their income also as the household income to allow you to increase your credit limit. So instead of just making up, if you're making $80,000 a year and you've added them as an authorized user, they live in your house also, you can use their income. So for example, their income is $40,000. So your $80,000, they're $40,000. So now the total household income is, hopefully I get my math right, $120,000. So you can use that income and report it to your bank and use that to get an increase on your credit limit, because now, hey, this is the income that's also available to you. Their income plus your income should look favorably with your bank and allow you to get a credit limit increase. So in the past, when most people just look at it, hey, you're helping out that family member by adding them to your credit card and helping them build credit, it can also help you, because their available income, you can now report it as household income and help you increase your credits limit at that particular bank. Hopefully this all makes sense. If you have any question, guys, just leave a comment down below, or if you thought this information was helpful, leave a comment down below. Mr. Credit Banking out. Peace.